Thank you. All right, so now what I've done is I've given you a couple of minutes to discuss assignment 2. I'm briefly going to go over my expectations with each of the parts. At the end of each section, if you have any questions, please do ask them now so that we can share amongst the group. And as I said also, so that I can share those with the external group as well. So part A is going to be your philosophy statement. So this is your feelings about teaching. This is your understandings about effective teaching. What do you think? Now, please recognise that with your A, B and C, there should be links. And also your A, B and C should also demonstrate your understanding from this unit. So the reality is 300, 350 words for a philosophy statement is not going to be a lot. And it's probably not going to cover the breadth of your philosophy at the moment. What you have to do is probably do a lot of planning with this assignment and just initially list down all those important things you feel about your philosophy and about effective teaching and effective assessment. Do a big brainstorm on that. And then try and pull out the things that actually link to what we've covered in this unit. Because remember, an assessment is looking at have you achieved the outcomes of the program that we've covered. So please use the language of the theory that you favour. Remember, you might have one theory that you really align with, or you can choose to be eclectic. Okay, so that can come through that philosophy as well. Again, with that philosophy, it doesn't need to be referenced because it is your ideas. It is in first person. However, it is your philosophy. Do not try and cut and paste it from somewhere else. Okay? Because it's still going to go through, turn it in. Okay? So please make sure that this is your philosophy. Remember, I've talked about quite a few different times in the workshops how I don't want you to second guess what's in my head. I want you to show development of your own philosophy, and I can, hopefully I'll see variety. Are there any questions on part A? No? All clear now? With that also, however, make sure that you also look at the rubric. Make sure you try and use some of that rubric language in your part A as well. Now, this is about your beliefs and conditions. This is also about the approach to assessment used to foster effective learning. These are some of the things we've been talking about in the last 2 weeks. How can I use assessment to make my learning more effective? And also having that somehow aligned or connected to your philosophy theory as well. Part B is just the lesson plan. Thanks, Wes.
Can I suggest you stop the camera and do part B separately?
You can